We ride together, we die together. Bad boys for life.
I'm gonna miss you, buddy. You locked a lot of those black motherfuckers up.
Anybody like this motherfucker can get the fuck up and get out of here, goddammit. Anybody like this motherfucker, get out of here. There's gonna be some trouble in this motherfucking church today. More trouble than your ass can stand up here, goddammit.
Fuck y'all nigga looking at.
What's going on? Why everybody looking like that?
That's that nigga baby. Officer Rucker wrongfully arrested that nigga back in the day on some pussy shit. Baby said, if that nigga ever die before him, he gonna spit in that nigga coffin.
You need to call me.
You know I will, baby.
I wanna spit. He about to spit in that nigga coffin. Yeah, dead motherfucker.
What the fuck are you doing here?
Yeah, you have some nerve coming here.
All the niggas who play with me who dead, them niggas ain't wanna live. She gave me head and that head was given when it was supposed to give. I came out here and got on cause I was doing what I was supposed to did. The way she ate me up and ate them kids, I don't think she want no kids. These niggas beefing for IG, but bitch I wanna kill. Kept getting blessed cause bitch I hustle, I ain't wanna steal. I whip this bitch out now in front of all these cameras, niggas know what it is. My hit out here sliding with a warrant, I think he want it still. Them pussies pulled me over the little four-way. The DA asked me for a picture, I wore Dior to my last court date. Nigga asked I got a pass, I tell him no way. Bitch we like A's, I'm on your ass, we on your ass, bitch we won't go away. I think I need to change the scenery, a new man. Something new, fine hoe, yes, sir. Boo thing, thinking about checking me about a hoe, gon' see a blue flame. Off the front of the glick when I start hitting some tie your shoestring. He's a runner, he's a track star. These tough fat nigga that rap ain't really that, these niggas just act hard. I came in this bitch too real, I had to chill, almost got blackballed. Just talked to my CPA, say I'm approved for my new black card. All the niggas who play with me who dead, them niggas ain't wanna live. She gave me head and that head was given when it was supposed to give. I came out here and got on cause I was doing what I was supposed to did. The way she ate me up and ate them kids, I don't think she want no kids. The way he got that look up in his eye, nigga, he must wanna die. Nigga, I'ma make your mama cry for you make my mama cry. I stay about the way and mind my business cause I'm certified. Uh-oh, that nigga that made me mad, okay, it's murder now. $500,000 worth of chains, it probably hurt your eye. I took my time and won the race, they giving first place to the turtle now. Brought him back, I need endorsements on the turtlenecks. Talk to free, gotta talk back, she done turned herself to a squirter now. Squirtle, no disrespect, but girl, that pussy wet. So you gon' have to get up and get the fuck up out my bed. Come showing off for them hoes and we gon' paint the city red. The last nigga to play with me, that nigga dead. All the niggas who play with me who dead, them niggas ain't wanna live. She gave me head and that head was given when it was supposed to give. I came out here and got on cause I was doing what I was supposed to did. The way she ate me up and ate them kids, I don't think she want no kids. Nigga, bitch. So don't trip on me about that hoe. I'm the one getting goddamn my soul snatched. You the one getting the kisses. Shit, you winning. Lame ass nigga.
I know all you goddamn haters. Look, there's no sense in hating that, goddamn it. Don't start hating now. You wasn't hating when the motherfucker was living, goddamn it. Now the motherfucker dead. Fuck this son of a bitch. Fuck him, goddamn it, and fuck anybody with his ass. Yeah. Y'all know the motherfucker ain't no good. You want look. All you motherfuckers been snitching for him and shit. Now you standing up in here and goddamn it talking about preach it, preacher, preach it, preacher. Fuck that nigga. Fuck that. I'm gonna shoot your ass too, motherfucker. Keep on. You gonna get shot too, nigga. You gonna get shot. God bless. God bless the fool, goddammit. God bless the fool. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm gonna end this goddamn thing. Look, where's that goddamn money bowl at? Who got that money bowl? We taking that money right now before you leave this bitch. We ain't leaving out here for free, motherfucker. Where that money bowl at? Don't have me to fire this bitch off now. Where that money bowl at? Don't you? Look, don't make me shoot it. All right. Officer Tuckerson already a dead motherfucker. I don't mind shooting another motherfucker. Oh, shit. Shoot this bitch sideways. Fuck. Take that, Officer Tucker, you low-down bastard.